Today, I'm going to teach you how to mute all participants in a Microsoft Teams meeting. This is incredibly useful when you need to quickly eliminate background noise or regain control during a busy call with multiple attendees. Let's walk through this simple process together. We're going to assume you're already inside an active Teams meeting. Once you're in the meeting, direct your attention to the top of your screen where you'll find the meeting controls. These controls give you access to various features that help you manage the call effectively. Look for the button labeled People and click on it. This button is your gateway to viewing and managing all the participants currently in the meeting. After clicking People, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This panel displays a list of everyone who's joined the meeting, making it easy to see who's present and what their current audio status is. It's a handy overview that gives you complete visibility of your meeting attendees at a glance. Now, within this participants panel, you'll notice a button at the top that says Mute All. This is the key feature we're looking for. Go ahead and click on it. By clicking this button, you instantly mute every participant in the meeting except yourself as the host. This action is immediate and affects all attendees simultaneously, which makes it perfect for scenarios where multiple people have unmuted themselves and there's too much background noise disrupting the flow of the meeting. It's worth noting that when you mute all participants, they'll receive a notification letting them know they've been muted. This is important because it maintains transparency and allows them to understand why their audio suddenly cut off. Participants can still unmute themselves afterward if they need to speak, depending on your meeting settings, but this gives you that initial control to restore order to the conversation. This feature is particularly valuable in large meetings, webinars, or training sessions where you need to ensure a clean audio environment before presenting important information. It helps you maintain professionalism and ensures that your message comes through clearly without interruptions. And there you have it. With just a couple of clicks, you've successfully muted all participants in your Microsoft Teams meeting, giving you full control over the audio environment. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.